In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT as a professional proofreading and editing assistant to polish your writing. I'll start by entering a detailed prompt asking ChatGPT to act as a professional proofreader that corrects grammar and spelling while explaining every change. ChatGPT confirms its new role and outlines how it will provide a clean version of my text while ensuring tone and structure remain consistent throughout the document. Now, I'll paste in a paragraph filled with spelling errors and grammatical issues to see how the AI handles a real-world example. The results are excellent, as ChatGPT provides a perfectly corrected version and a detailed breakdown of every fix, from subject-verb agreement to punctuation. It specifically explains why team requires a singular verb and corrects common misspellings like definitely and success to make the text much more readable. Next, I'll ask ChatGPT to review the same paragraph for tone and clarity to ensure it sounds professional and confident. The AI identifies informal phrases like working very hard and suggests more precise alternatives to give the writing more authority. It concludes by providing a refined professional version that removes vague language and replaces it with assertive phrasing suitable for a high-level business environment. This demonstrates how you can use AI to not only fix mistakes but to strategically elevate the impact of your communication. By following these simple steps, you can transform a rough draft into a polished, professional piece of writing in just a few seconds. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.